guys, it's your boy Li, and we are going to be playing Granny. We might not stop at like the ending, well, but okay, you might not hear us do the ending because my thing is being crapping up. So let's do this. I think Grandpa will be the best because, like, Grandpa can't hear well, so and Granny can hear like she has diabetes. I should say. I don't know. We just trying to entertain you guys. All right, here we go. So as you know, in the last video, if you've been following, we'll go, Granny, Chapter 2, and Grandpa, check out that video. What's that noise?
No.
Is someone having seizures?
No.
It sounds like someone has seizures. Is there another basement? Does good old Gramps have seizures? It must be in this wall. Yeah. Let's get up there. Oh, I thought that was Gramps. We need a freaking weapon key. Guys, hopefully we beat it. If we don't, we'll do a Granny Chapter 2. Ow.
What?
Grandpa's deaf, so he can't hear that.
No.
Speaking of Grandpa, where is he?
No.
That is funny. Why is it playing that?
No.
It's playing Granny's house. Weapons key. Alright guys, if you could see this. We're gonna shoot Grandpa.
Yeah.
We got the shotty up in here. Gramps, where are you? Oh!
Papa.
Oh my God. I just want to shoot Grandpa.
Yeah.
I'm going to shoot Grandpa. What if it actually kills Grandpa?
No.
Instead of just like making him fall. I don't think you see me now, Grandpa. Hey, Grandpa. Hi, homie boy. Uh-huh.
Yeah. So that.
I think I killed him. I think I killed him for good. Sounds like a shark biting.
Yep.
A spark plug for the boat. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. We'll be back at where we were.